In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can earn money online simply by typing from the comfort of your home. With the internet, numerous new possibilities for making money have emerged, and one of them involves typing tasks. And there are certain factors to consider when it comes to making money from typing. Pay ranges, difficulty, and availability, to name a few. Let's kick things off with transcription jobs. Transcription websites primarily involve listening to audio or watching videos, and your sole task is to type out the content spoken in those audio or video segments. Surprisingly, there are numerous websites willing to pay you for performing this straightforward task. Now keep in mind, as mentioned earlier, that there are levels to these jobs when it comes to compensation. But let's take a deeper look into transcription jobs. One of the popular transcription websites is a website called rev.com. Earning through transcription involves typing out spoken content, and you can enhance your earnings by adding captions timed with the video. Some platforms even provide translated subtitles and captions, further expanding your earning opportunities. To become a transcriptionist with Rev, simply scroll down to the bottom of their website and click on Join as a freelancer. This is the portal where you can submit your application to Rev and express your interest in becoming a transcriptionist. You might be wondering, how much can I realistically earn from this? Earnings for transcribing content with Rev typically range from 30 cents to $1.10 per minute. For example, if it takes you 2 minutes to transcribe 1 minute of content, you could potentially make over $30 per hour. However, it's essential to note that not everyone achieves this level of income, as the process of transcription can often take longer. Through extensive research, I've found that realistic earnings in transcription jobs are often lower than the theoretical $30 per hour figure. Regarding Rev, it's important to note that they don't always immediately accept individuals into their transcription program. In some cases, it may take a month or two for them to respond to new applications. However, once accepted, you may experience a substantial workload, as there are numerous jobs available on Rev that need to be completed. Exclusively utilizing PayPal for payments, Rev requires individuals to have a PayPal account to receive their earnings. However, it's worth noting that Rev isn't the sole company providing this service or offering opportunities for individuals seeking to earn money through typing. Another platform worth considering is transcribeme.com, and what distinguishes TranscribeMe from other transcription websites is its emphasis on shorter content. This approach makes it more manageable for prospective transcriptionists, as they'll be working with shorter audio segments. As per their website, TranscribeMe offers a pay rate ranging from $20 to $21 per audio hour, with an average monthly earning potential of around $250. However, it's noteworthy that specific niches, such as medical or legal transcription jobs, have the potential to yield higher pay, reaching up to $60 to $70 per audio hour according to their claims. The compensation offered by TranscribeMe surpasses that of many other transcription websites. Additionally, TranscribeMe facilitates weekly payouts through PayPal, extending opportunities to applicants worldwide. One notable aspect of this platform is the flexibility it provides, allowing you to decide both when and how much you want to work. In essence, it involves selecting the tasks you wish to work on, completing them, and receiving payment accordingly. I want to clarify that I have no affiliation with Rev or TranscribeMe, and I'm not receiving any commissions for sharing this information. My insights are based on extensive research into the most effective ways of earning money through transcription jobs. However, as mentioned earlier, I'll be introducing additional opportunities that have the potential for even greater earnings. Let's proceed with discussing transcription jobs, which are considered more straightforward. TranscribeMe typically welcomes new members fairly quickly, often faster than Rev.com. You can generally expect to receive a response within a week or two after completing their test, which primarily focuses on transcription accuracy. Notably, none of the platforms we've discussed thus far require elaborate qualifications such as advanced degrees, specialized skills, or previous experience to initiate your involvement. In the case of Scribey.com, they typically offer audio segments lasting 6 minutes or less, allowing for more manageable time commitment. Scribey compensates at a rate of approximately 20 cents per audio minute, which may be lower compared to some other platforms we've discussed. However, the intriguing aspect is that as you gain experience with Scribey, you have the opportunity to advance by joining what they call the reviewer's team. A reviewer's role involves identifying and rectifying errors made by the initial transcriber, ensuring a polished and accurate result. Reviewers on Scribie can earn over $30 per audio hour for their contributions. However, securing this position requires demonstrating a skill level at least 1% superior to the majority of other transcriptionists. Upon consistently providing high-quality work, there's the opportunity for advancement, allowing you to withdraw your earnings through PayPal. Now, let's shift our focus to GoTranscript.com. When you visit their website, you'll find that GoTranscript.com provides transcription services across 5 distinct categories, offering a diverse range of content for transcription. As you navigate to the bottom of the page, you'll notice an option labeled Work for Transcriptionists. They offer compensation of up to 60 cents per audio minute, and by visiting the designated page, you can review their payment rates. The average monthly earnings tend to hover around $150, which may not be substantial, while top earners have the potential to accumulate over $1,215 per month. However, it's essential to invest a considerable amount of time in this endeavor, making these methods ideal for those seeking additional income with minimal effort. GoTranscript stands out by offering opportunities to transcriptionists worldwide, presenting a diverse array of transcribing jobs in various languages. Notably, they provide flexibility by not only offering PayPal payouts but also extending the option of Payoneer, providing an additional choice. This flexibility allows you to select tasks based on your availability, granting you complete control over your involvement. Another platform worth exploring is SpeechPad.com. Like several other transcription websites, it provides services in 3 distinct categories: transcription, subtitles, and captions, along with a combination of transcription and translation. They cater to various languages, not limited to English. To join, simply navigate to the bottom of the website where it prompts you to express your interest in becoming a transcriber. The advantage lies in the ability to choose your assignments, with potential earnings ranging from 25 cents to $2.50 per minute of transcription. Engaging in this can yield a decent income compared to some of the previously discussed websites. However, speed is crucial on this platform, as competition is fierce, with others signing up and claiming tasks swiftly. To succeed, you need to be competitive and swift in accepting jobs, promptly typing them to maximize your opportunities. Another noteworthy platform is 3playmedia.com. They provide a range of services, including transcription, captioning, translations, subtitles, audio descriptions, and a distinctive live auto-captioning service. To become part of 3Play Media, scroll down to the bottom of their website and select Freelance Transcription Jobs. The sign-up process involves a brief 15 to 20-minute assessment to evaluate your suitability. During this assessment, you demonstrate your transcription and editing skills for consideration. According to feedback from online users, 3playmedia.com reportedly boasts a faster acceptance rate compared to some of the previously mentioned services. The exciting aspect is that you have the potential to earn up to $30 per hour, with some individuals claiming earnings of $50 per hour. However, it's important to note that while they pay transcriptionists more, the platform charges higher fees to prospective clients, resulting in a smaller client pool and potentially fewer job opportunities compared to other websites. In my opinion, it can be beneficial to join several of these platforms if you're considering a typing-related career, especially as a transcriptionist. Now, let's delve into the possibilities available for freelancers to maximize their earning potential through typing. This involves registering on platforms such as Fiverr.com, Freelancer, and Upwork, and subsequently applying for jobs where people seek writing services such as blog articles, YouTube scripts, or any form of online writing. By pursuing these freelancing opportunities, you can type content related to your interests, passions, or areas of expertise to assist others, potentially earning more compared to being solely a transcriptionist. And that concludes today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and make sure to subscribe as well. Oh, and ring the notification bell if you want to keep up to date with the latest money-making opportunities. Remember, the world is full of blessings waiting to be given, but only the ones who put in the work will be blessed. Take care, and I will see you on the next one.